Hey guys, Black Friday. I'm in the woods. Of course, the snow always happens this weekend, and then we're caught with that. And we're just cutting up some stuff to the last minute boiler wood for the year to haul out, and we should be able to get that out after this weekend. So I got some oak here, and this chainsaw is the chainsaw we're giving away. So anybody who has ordered on our website since last Thursday all the way through Cyber Monday, end of day Cyber Monday, gets their name in to possibly get this, and we'll send it to you. It's a Husky 359. Samson loves it. He's super big into it. It's been tuned by Appalachian Saw and Repair Morgan over there. He built this for himself, and then when I hit him up, I was like, hey, I want a saw for firewood to give away to somebody, since we got a bunch of buddies and friends that have been suggesting that we do more content around firewood saws. I was like, well, then let's give away a firewood saw to a customer of ours that supported us through Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. So yeah, it's got a muffler mod. He's went through the internals on it, all new bearings, new bar, new chain. So we're gonna run it, show you how it runs. It's quite loud. And we're going to get this all bucked up, and then we're gonna split some, talk to you about some products there. So stay tuned. Let's get after it. No. So, this one thing worth mentioning with the saw, as it was cutting, I was like, I should mention this. This isn't a brand new saw. This is a vintage, I guess, if you will, pre-EPA saw. I like this era saw because you don't have all the electronics and all of that other stuff like the newer stuff does. I mean, there's a lot of guys who like the new electronic stuff, but like 500i and all that. But as far as the firewood saw goes, super great saw. I've got a 262 that Morgan did up for me, and it's great. So we're giving 15% off on the website right now for any order through Cyber Monday, which is BFCM24 is the code. That gets you 15% off site-wide. That's everything on the website. There's no products that are not included in that sale. So you can head over there, hit that, get to that. But I wanted to start going through the next product, which this is the next one, Picaroon. We've got these in stock right now. And this is the perfect situation for a Picaroon. Like, I don't have to bend over. You just pick it up like that and roll it like this. And then grab the old number 7, which is also something that's in stock on the website. We've got a axe eye and a sledge eye. This is the sledge eye. The axe eye is back in stock, and we can just split it right here. And since these are for the boiler, we just crack them open. We don't need to like bust it up into stove wood or anything. We can just make it, open it up so the fibers are visible, and then it works way better in the boiler. So we're gonna be dueling 7-pound splitters right now, and let's split some wood. Open her up. Wow. Is that the pine cone? Nice. Fire it up. Look at that. Juicing. Smoking my ass. Close this up. All right, so BFCM gets you 15%. Sorry, BFCM 24 gets you 15% off site-wide on whiskeyrivertrading.com. Chainsaw giveaway of this tuned 359 Husky, and stay tuned. SMS, if you guys aren't signed up for our text messages, we're doing some random deals throughout the week to the text message subscribers. So if you're watching this on YouTube, click the link in the description. You can go over there, sign up for text message notifications, and yeah, bunch of specials. We don't run sales like this often. We've got a bunch of handles in stock. We made sure that we had those in stock for the weekend, or this week for the sale, and we've got old number 7s, hand pickaroons, and variety of other products available and in stock on whiskeyrivertrading.com. So come over, buy yourself a gift, buy your buddy a gift, and see you next time.